Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning, Miss.
Okay, have you prayed before?
Yes.
Okay, before we start our lesson today, to the chairman, please lead our prayer.
Before we start lesson today, let's pray. Pray again. Finish.
Okay, thank you everyone. Okay, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Alhamdulillah fine, thank you. Okay, I hope you always in the good mood, good condition, and I hope you have high motivation to learn today. Before we start our lesson, let's check around you to see if there are mess or cracks. Please. Yes. Is everything clear now? Okay. Let's check your attendance first. Dimas Angga.
Present, Miss.
Okay. Eliana Rahman. Gina Nur Aziza. Insan Hakim.
Present, Miss.
Jovita Delia. Khaizulan Zaki.
Present.
Kila. Mulyana Zua. Okay, all of you is present today, right? Okay. I want to ask you, do you know what the material will be discussed today? No? You're not prepared to learn today? Sorry. Okay, we will discuss this together. Okay, our material today is the quadratic equation. The specialty is finding the root of the quadratic equation with factorization method. Okay, because you are the first meeting in the quadratic equation material, I will tell you what the learning objective or the purpose we learn this material. Okay, the first is understand the concept of quadratic equation. So you must understand of this material how to find the root of the quadratic equation. The second is determine the root of quadratic equation using the factorization method. And the third is the solve contextual problem related to the quadratic equation. And the last is the present the result of the sequence of solution in a coherent and logical manner. So I will give you the problem. Okay. The next is beneficial of learning the material. Also, you must know what the beneficial of the learning material in the everyday life. So this material can meaningful to students, right? So to know the beneficial of learning the material, let's watch the video in the present. Yang pertama adalah polisi menggunakan persamaan kuadrat untuk mengetahui kecepatan mobil saat terjadi kecelakaan. Yang kedua itu dalam bermain basket untuk menentukan panjang lintasan bola. Yang ketiga itu memakai asas Bernoulli dalam prinsip penerbangan pesawat. Yang keempat ada persamaan kuadrat dipakai untuk menentukan lintasan teori itu dalam ilmu militer. Kelima yaitu dipakai dalam hukum genetika media. Keenam ada gerakan busur panah. Tujuh ada untuk menggambarkan orbit planet dan tata surya galaksi kita memakai persamaan kuadrat. Yang ketiga yaitu untuk merancang sistem rem. Jadi persamaan kuadrat juga digunakan ya. Yang kesembilan ada untuk merancang sistem suara dan kualitas terbaik. 11 is pakai dalam perhitungan keseimbangan pasar dalam teori ekonomi. Dan masih banyak lainnya. Oke, jadi itu beberapa beneficial of this material. How is so meaning in our everyday life, memiliki banyak sekali manfaat dalam kehidupan kita. Bisa lagi, siapa yang bisa menyebutkan beberapa contoh yang sudah kita tonton tadi di video? Satu atau dua contoh, tidak apa-apa. Dari video yang kita tonton barusan. Cahaya?
Untuk menghitung lintasan bola gajah dan juga untuk penggunaan panah.
Oke, very good again. Let's applause to yourself. Well, okay. Before we mempelajarinya lebih dalam, I wanted to ask you in the previous class, you already know about the linear equation, right?
Yes.
So, I want to ask you, who remember about the everything or anything about the linear equation? If you want to answer, raise your hand. Okay, Rosidah.
Okay, a linear equation is an equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1.
Okay, so good. Very close. Okay, well. Okay, Amelia.
The general form of the equation is ax plus b equal to 0 or ax equals by plus ax plus by plus c equal to 0, which the letter is a variable and the number of the letter is the coefficient and the number without the letter is a constant.
Okay, very good, son. Well, answer. Okay, Dina.
We use the linear equation to get solutions.
Okay, give a clues. Clues. Okay, think. Okay. Okay, I wanna ask you again. If I have two numbers, that the two numbers is multiplied, and then have the result is equal to 0. What the two number or what condition is equal or result equal to 0? One source. Again, Dimas.
Maybe 4 times 0 is
Okay. Well.
Miss, maybe 0 and 0.
Okay. Next. Well. Yes, Zaki.
maybe 0 and 13.
Okay. Anything else? Anything else to answer the more exactly answer?
If one of the two numbers is equal to 0 or both of the numbers is equal to 0.
Okay, it's excellent. Excellent. Now we next to the what is the quadratic equation? Okay, because it's the first unit in this module, I will give you the definition of the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is the equation with the highest power is 2, and the general form is x. Can we write it together in general form? Okay. Okay, let's ax to the power. Okay, together. Ax plus bx plus c equals 0. With a not equal 0. Okay, right. Good job. Example of the quadratic equation is you can see in picture, right?
Yes.
All of this example of this equation have variable with the power of 2. Okay, right. Okay, so next I will give you problem. Do you like problem?
No.
Why?
It's not quite great.
very interesting to solve. You wanna know what the problem?
No.
Yes, please. Okay. Okay. Before we get to the problem, I wanna ask you again and again. In this class, would you like to walk around, and where are you going? Walk around.
I like going to the city hall.
Okay, nice. Gina? Huh?
Let's go together.
Oh. Okay, thank you. Where the favorite place? Okay, it's nice. Who else? You must?
No, miss. I don't like to go anywhere because I just like to sit in backyard of my home.
Oh, it's comfortable. I guess. Okay, it's the problem is good. Okay, so the problem is Gigi. Who bred Gigi? Okay, Gigi has this moved into a new house and he wants to calculate the length and width of a rectangular backyard. Like the gymnast sit in the backyard, right? Okay. If the rectangular backyard has an area of 12 meters squared and length is expressed as x plus 5 meters and its width as x plus 1 meters, determine the length and width of the backyard. Okay, so this is one of two, the problem that I will give you in Elniati. Okay, so to discuss the problem, I will divide you to some small group. Okay, in the first row, yeah, you do group 1, and the second row is group 2. Is it okay?
Okay.
Circle and sit in this group.
Do you know circle?
Yeah, circle. Curious? Very comfortable? Up there? Here?
Your children.
Yeah. There's a place comfortable with it. And before you discuss in your group, I want each member of group have a role in group and write down in a category. Okay? Determine the list of group, secretary, or the presenter. You must have role in your group. Okay? And I will give you the LKPD. In this LKPD, its contents the step by step that what you do. Okay? And your time discussion is 20 minutes. Okay? And if you confusing, you can ask me about the material, right? You can start to, okay, you can start to discuss. Okay, I will evaluate every group and the student to check you're active in your group. It's an assessment for me to checking and collect you. If you are in group. Good. Okay. Have you questions or confusing about this problem? Not yet?
Not yet.
Okay, good. Okay, group one. How your progress? Okay, this is step one. Yes. Okay. Is there any problem? If you wanna ask or confusing about the problem, okay, so first of all, okay, it's nice.
Nanti dia ceritakan ya. Ini dia cuma memodelkan saya. Itu ini diketahui dulu kan. Terus ini memodelkan. Jadi iya, skopnya itu interpretasi. Sebagai interpretasi.
Satu negatif kalau
Terus ini memodelkannya, ini jalannya, ini konklusinya.
Have you done? Yes. Okay. We will presenting the result of your discussions. Okay, I think in group one you can discuss about the problem one. The problem first. And to the group two you can discuss the problem two and write them in the board in front of class. Langsung. Okay, everyone, student. Okay, pay attention. Okay, you can explain your result of discussion. Okay, Mia, please.
Okay, from the problem one, we know that the area of the backyard is 12 meters square. And the length is x plus 5 meter, and this is x plus 1 meter. So, the backyard has length 6 meter with 2 meter, and the area equals to 12 meter square.
Okay, good. Do you answer group one, Mia?
Yes.
Okay. So the other group, do you have the critique or discussion or the question from problem one to the group one?
Question is,
Okay, Nina, group two.
what is the value x equals to x in the grid and
Okay, Mia, you can answer.
yes. Okay. Because the value of x equals to negative 7, we'll fulfill the problem, but the value, it can't be negative. So we just use the positive value, yaitu x equal to 1.
Do you get it, Nina?
Thank you, Maria.
Thank you, Mia. You can sit down. You can finish. Very close. Again, to group two, you can present the result of the session. It's problem two.
Okay, I want to answer the problem 2. In this problem, given y equals price of driver service, x is number of passenger, and z is x minus z minus 100, where r in the equation is 3 for the driver income. For the month in the equation for the driver income for the month in rupiah is x squared minus 100x plus 3 million 2000 yes.
Okay, good, Zaki. Wait. Do you sure to your answer?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, we ask the other group. Do you what the answer the problem to? Do you have a different result?
No.
Sam, okay. Okay, thank you, Zaki. Very good, good job. Give applause to the group. Okay, we can give applause to the class because all of you have high motivation to learn today. Okay? Yes, so I want to ask again, what the conclusion can you take from his learning today? But you get it about this process, this learning process today?
Miss, I'm from Rosidah.
Okay, so that.
The roots of a quadratic equation can be found by factoring it. And if ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 and a equal to 1, the roots of this equation is p and e. Then we must find two numbers, p and e, where p plus e equal to b and e equal to b and p times e equal to c.
Wow, excellent. Give applause to the group. Find the principle of the quadratic equation by factorizing method. Okay, who else can? Okay, Nina.
A quadratic equation is an equation in which the highest power of the variable is 2.
Okay, good job, Dina. Give applause, Dina. Okay, who else? Okay.
The root of quadratic equations are the solution to the equation and use the zero property of the equations.
Okay, very nice, Aldiana. Give applause. Okay, just done work today, everyone. But before we close this class, I want to give you the reflection sheet that you can fill individually. Fill it out, it has to be okay. And make sure you understand our material today. Fill out in 3 minutes and collect me. Okay, have you done, student? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay, I will call it again. Okay, thank you everyone. Okay everyone, you already done so learning reflection. Okay, good job student. Okay, the next meeting we will meet again. And the material is the quadratic equation by the completing the square and formula ABC formula to get the root of the quadratic equation. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your participation and the high motivation for learning today. And we can closing it with Hamza.
Alhamdulillah.